Chicken George.
He like do fireball like them moon pies, snake doctor.
Yeah, he likes his moon pies and Dr. Pepper. I'm out.
Like Snake Doctor likes the mud pies.
I like my coffee. I'd like this 40 weight over here, Chicken George. Everything will be all right.
Yeah, he tried to say it. I heard it when he said you like the mud pies, but then you cheese back up again. I didn't hear no more. Y'all all gobbled up again.
Hey, Black Rooster, it's been a while since I put this freak folk on you. Black Rooster, always a pleasure. You're 70 days your way.
I'm up every time, Breaker.
Black Rooster don't do that. Hey, Snake Doctor said Black Rooster. I said don't do that. Don't make Chicken George mad.
Hey, Chicken George, you're all the way up there in the black zone. Chicken George, you got nothing to worry about. When you throw it down, you throw it. I'll pour it down. I'll walk it up.
Alright, I won't pump it up anymore then. I just leave it like it is.
That's right. I like it.
Snake Doctor likes a mud pie. He's spitting up mud. He's spitting up mud. Zooming things that's better left undone. It's better left in memories of the time he tried to key on Fireball. But right about now, all the Snake Doctor's doing is spitting up mud.
He said I'm spitting up them mud pie biscuits. I said moon biscuits, not mud biscuits. Moon pies.
Left undone. Go ahead and resurrect them memories of the time he tried to key on Fireball. But right about now on the radio, you're spitting up mud.
Hey, Dirty D, tell him no quitters. I'm sorry to send him over a case of moon pies. He think I was trying to send him some mud biscuits. I don't know what's going on. I got a case of Dr. Pepper, a case of carburetor cleaner, and some moon pies and Dr. Pepper. I don't know.
15 more minutes, I'll be ready for the Dr. Pepper there break.
I like my 40 weight. I'll sit over here with my 40 weight, my Beatles or something.
Start your day without a Dr. Pepper. I crank this thing up, threw one Dr. Pepper in the freezer, break.